Ever wondered how to create that perfect, polished but not over-the-top makeup look for a wedding? Well, today you're in for a treat as we explore a step-by-step guide to applying wedding guest makeup that will surely turn heads and yet remain gracefully subtle. First, always remember that preparation is key. Start with a clean and freshly washed face. The skin must be free from any previous makeup or impurities. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. After cleansing, apply a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH level. Next, moisturize your skin. A good moisturizer will not only hydrate your skin but also create a smooth base for your makeup. Now apply a primer to help your makeup stay in place throughout the day. With your skin prepped, it's time to move on to the foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to change your skin color. Apply the foundation evenly using a brush or sponge, making sure to blend it into your neck to avoid any harsh lines. Now for the concealer. Apply it under your eyes to hide any dark circles or puffiness. You can also use it to cover any blemishes. Remember, less is more when it comes to concealer. With your base done, it's time to add some color. Start with a blush that complements your skin tone. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy, radiant glow. Don't forget about your eyebrows. They frame your face and can make a big difference in your overall look. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas following the natural shape of your brows. Next, move on to the eyes. A neutral eyeshadow palette is perfect for a wedding. Apply a light shade over your entire eyelid, a medium shade in your crease, and a darker shade in the outer corners for some depth. Finish off with a couple of coats of mascara to make your eyes pop. Finish your look with a lipstick that complements your skin tone and the rest of your makeup. A soft pink or nude shade works well for most skin tones. Remember, it's a wedding, so avoid any loud or bright colors. Finally, set your makeup with a setting spray to ensure it stays in place all day. To recap, start with clean, moisturized skin. Use a foundation that matches your skin tone and a minimal amount of concealer. Add some color with blush, and don't forget about your eyebrows. Use a neutral eyeshadow palette and finish with mascara and a soft lipstick. Lastly, set your makeup with a setting spray. With these tips, you're all set to attend any wedding as a stunning guest. Remember, makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not hide it. So stay true to yourself and enjoy the celebration.